Hi guys, it's your sister Zainab. Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for stopping by. Please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so when your sister upload a new video, you're gonna get notification. You don't want to miss any upcoming videos because I have amazing recipe coming up. This Ramadan I'm gonna be uploading daily. So this video is the second one on 2021 Ramadan. So stay tuned and of course let's get started. In a medium bowl we're going to mix everything, but first we're adding 300 grams of chicken mince, two boiled potato, it's two medium boiled potato, and I'm adding some fresh coriander and also some green chili, which is total optional. You don't need to add green chili if you are not spicy lover. We love spicy food in our home, so we don't mind. And now I'm adding green pepper. It's one medium green pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, black pepper about half teaspoon, some salt, and this is 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add break this two slice and add in there. Now I'm going to just blend this into a paste. Okay, our mixture is done. This is how it should be. It's really soft. I'm telling you, it's really soft. So I'm adding 1 egg. I'm gonna add also corn flour about 4 tablespoons and mix it well. The reason why I add corn flour is because the chicken mince was very soft. It was very soft, guys. You can't even touch it. It's very sticky. So you just have to add corn flour. It's going to be better. Okay, after mixing, you just have to keep in the refrigerator for about 1.5 hours before using. And if you think it's too long, just keep it in the freezer for about 20 minutes before using. Okay, so for me, I didn't keep long because I was in hurry. I wanted to do some stuff. So I just make it same time. So it was really difficult for me to shape it. So guys, for the shape, you can make any shape you like. I call donuts chicken donuts because I make like a donuts shape. So yeah, it's not like you have to make it that exactly that shape. It was really sticky but came out well, alhamdulillah. So now I'm going to dip it in the egg first, and then I'm going to finish in the salt and coating powder. I'm going to put the box of this salt and coating on the screen so you guys can see what I'm using, but if you have breadcrumbs, it's going to be perfect also. If you are not frying same time, it's better you keep in the fridge which one you're done making. That's it, guys. Our donuts are done and yummy. Thank you all for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up, share with others, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.